Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Nielsen Networking video. This is going to be a quick video on how to install Python for Windows. And near the end, I'll also actually, once we get Python installed and tested, I will go out and show you where to download my favorite code editor. Okay, so let's get to it. And the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and head over to python.org. And when you get here, you're going to want to go to Downloads, Downloads for Windows, and we're going to download Python 3.11.0. We're going to click on that, and we're going to let that go down here. And then we're going to go ahead and open it up, minimize this down. And you are going to want to check this box that says Add Python exe to path. And at this point, you could do a custom installation if you wanted, but I'm just going to go ahead with the defaults because it includes everything I need. So we're good to go. And we'll let this do its thing. And we are done. It says our setup was successful. So let's go ahead and make sure that it actually installed. And what we're going to do is type in Python, and we're going to do a version similar to uname in Linux. And there we go. That's 3.11. That's the one we wanted. So we're cool there. Let's go ahead and go over here. And we can do this two ways, but let's just try this one first. So let's test and make sure it's actually working. And we'll just do everyone's favorite little program here. But we'll mix it up a little bit. Instead of hello world, we'll do hello YouTube. How about that? And we'll go here. And as you can see, it's working. So we're cool there. Get out of here. And now that we know that's working, actually we can go ahead and check this too. Same thing. We're just gonna go. And we're good there as well. Okay, so next thing, let's go out and get a code editor that I like to use. And to do that, we are going to go out to it is known as PyCharm. And there's a pay to use version and a free to use version. We're going to get the free to use version. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that, and we're going to hit download. And you want to go to this community version here. And it's downloaded here. We'll let it do its thing. Okay, it's done. So what we're going to go ahead and do is just double click on it. It's going to open up here. Okay, and we're going to hit next. You can move this to a different location if you want to. It does take up a fair amount of space. It takes up 1.4 gigs. So just be warned, if you don't have the space, you may need to move this to a different volume. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click Add Bin. And we're going to do Create Associations and hit Next. You can just go ahead and leave this where it is unless you have a reason to move it out of the Start menu. And this will take a second. And it's asking to reboot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, reboot's done. We're going to go ahead and go back into PyCharm. And we're just going to run that same little hello YouTube. Not very original, but you know what? It gets the job done, just making sure this is working. So what we're going to want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do File, New Scratch File, Python. And we'll just stick with the, like I said, and it can be singular or double quotes, doesn't matter. And we'll put YouTubers, so we'll mix it up a little bit here. It says I'm not original. Okay, so then what you would need to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to right click on it right here, and we're going to go to Run. And as you can see, it is working. There you go. Hello, YouTubers. Okay, so we're good. Everything's working here. Pretty straightforward, not too long of a video. I hope you liked it. If you did, again, typical, smash that like button, subscribe, future content, yada, yada, yada. You know the drill. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.